how to connect Mollie to Shopify. Mollie is a Dutch fintech company that provides online payment processing services for businesses. It helps merchants accept payments through various methods like cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and local European options. First, go to Shopify and log in to your Shopify store or profile with email and password. What you will need to do is just go to Settings in the bottom left. From there, head into the Payment section. And then here click on Add Payment Method. On search box, search Ideal. There we go, Ideal Mollie. Here we need the partner ID and the test or live API key of Mollie. To get API keys, go to Developers of Mollie and go to API Keys. Then paste it here. Then click on Activate Ideal Mollie. That's it. Thanks for watching.